Hey everybody, it's Matthew Reinhart here again. It's another learning unit, but this is a brand new one. It's about prehistoric animals. Ooh! You know, I love prehistoric animals. I wanted to be a paleontologist when I was growing up. We're going to make today, for this first prehistoric animal pop, we're going to make a T-Rex pop. You know, I made a series of dinosaur books called Encyclopedia Prehistorica. One was about dinosaurs, and one was about prehistoric mammals, and one was about prehistoric sea animals. Oh, so much fun. So now we are going to build our own. Let's start with, well, everybody's favorite dinosaur, T-Rex, right? Tyrannosaurus Rex. Her name means the tyrant lizard king. And the first partial T-Rex skeleton was discovered back in Wyoming in 1900. Now, the reason why we know about old T-Rex so much is they could grow to be over 40 feet long and weigh up to 14 tons, which makes that, that's a couple of elephants, right? And it makes them one of the largest known land predators ever. Although there are some other theropod dinosaurs that have come along lately that are giving T-Rex a run for its money, right? It's estimated that the Tyrannosaurus Rex had the most powerful bite among all land predators. Whoa, I certainly wouldn't want to get in between those jaws. Look at that. Ooh, I wouldn't want to be his orthodontist. All right, well, let's get started. Let's make our own T-Rex pop. And this one's gonna bite, kind of like my pop-up did in my encyclopedia books. So let's get started. First, you're gonna download the templates from the link below. You just click on it, download it, and print the templates onto cardstock, any color you want. So let's print them out. And you're gonna see there's two different types of lines on these templates. There's a solid black line, and then there's a dotted black line. The dotted black lines, we're gonna start with those. And we're gonna make, those are fold lines. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a big paper clip and a ruler, and we're gonna press with the edge of that paper clip along all of those dotted black lines. And what we're doing is, it's called scoring. So we're gonna make it a lot easier for all those fold lines to fold. All right, now what's next? We're gonna cut out along all those solid black lines using our scissors. Make sure that you use, a pair of scissors that you're comfortable with, and take your time, because sometimes, there are some very jagged edges here, and you want to make sure you get all those teeth right. You want to make your T-Rex lose his teeth, right? So we're going to cut out along all these black solid lines. You can even cut out, if you want, those extra facts and glue it into your dinosaur pop if you'd like. But take your time, get around all those edges, and when you're cutting out some of those, really pointy parts. So once you've got all your pieces cut and set, let's fold them. We're going to pre-fold them. So we're going to fold this base page right down the center. Now see, this is the lower jaw of the T-Rex. We're going to fold it in half, just like that. And see these little tabs here on the side? That's going to glue here. And that's going to glue there. But did I say glue? And that's going to fold there. Woof, I'm getting ahead of myself. All right, let's glue. This is the top of the head here. So we're going to fold this little tab, just like that. I'm going to fold it just down the center. And then you're going to see these tabs over by the eyeballs here. That goes there. And that goes there. Just like that. Those tabs. Perfecto. All right, let's get to gluing. Now, we use regular craft glue. It's just, it's super easy to use. Like, Elmer's glue or whatever. It's just white glue. And we're going to glue down these two tabs here at the lower jaws. And you're going to see that on the base page, look, those two tabs are exactly mirrored shapes on there. See those little gray shapes? We're just going to put some glue just in those gray areas. And don't squeeze like a big glob of glue. Just carefully glue it just in that space. You don't have to use a lot, just enough to fill in the space. See how we sort of kind of paint it and spread it around? There you go, just like that. Now let's put these two tabs in place. So you're gonna see one goes there, just like that. Press it down, make sure that you let it dry. And if you have a little extra glue there, don't just wipe it away. You can use like a tissue, you can use your finger, just to make sure you don't stick your finger to the paper. And then we're gonna do the other side, just like this. There we go. So the lower jaw is taped onto, see how it's centered? Just like that. And let it dry, let it be in the right place. It's okay if you move it around a little. We don't get things perfect every single time. Now these tabs here, glue right here and here at the back of the head. So we can glue these to the base page. And this is our first pop-up for our prehistoric animal pop-up book that we're going to create together. So it's a little easier than some of the other ones that we're gonna make. We gotta start at the beginning, right? Gotta get used to making pops. It's still gonna be pretty cool though. So we're gonna tape this piece right down there. And then let's tape the other side, goes right on this side. Just like that. Tape it into place, and you should follow along the gray area. Those tabs match up exactly on the gray area. Then after you've glued the two head tabs down, there's a little tab that's right on the nose. You're just gonna glue it over the top, the bridge of the nose, onto itself. See that little gray area? Glue it down, pinch it, and then there you go. Your pop-up is complete. You could even put, you know, if you want, you could put the dinosaur facts on the page if you'd like. Or you could write a story about the dinosaur. You could draw in a background. You could do all kinds of stuff. Now, feel free to decorate your dinosaur any way you like. You can color it, you can marker it, you can do whatever you want. You can draw extra things, you can write a story. And so what's gonna be great about all the pop-ups that we're gonna make is we're gonna assemble them together and they're gonna become a giant dinosaur book that you're gonna make yourself. So keep on watching and stay tuned. Whoa, look at that, wow. Ooh, I hope he doesn't bite me. Look at that T-Rex pop. So, thanks for watching. Hey, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, let me know in the comments below. And hey, it's Matthew Reinhart saying, see you next time. Bye-bye.